Talk about a toy you liked in your childhood.
You should say, what was the toy? Who gave it to you?
How often do you play with it? Well, that's a lot of nostalgia. I have been fortunate enough to have a very affectionate and caring family. I was privileged to have played with lots of toys in my childhood, some of which were very expensive. Nevertheless, one toy which is still very close to my heart is a giant teddy bear that was gifted to me by my father when I was all of 8 years of age. At that time, the teddy bear seemed to be even larger than me. As a matter of fact, it was a surprise gift for me on my 8th birthday, and I was on cloud nine. I opened this gigantic box and came out a teddy bear in sky blue color, my favorite color. I was so happy that I started to fanatically show it to everybody present at the party, my friends, my family, and relatives. Eventually, it became very close to me, and I would comb it once in a while to keep the hairs from spoiling. Besides, I used to even sleep with it while cuddling. I used to keep it carefully in my cupboard, getting paranoid that someone would snatch it from me. Life seemed to be incomplete without that toy, and it still is. As silly as it sounds, I still have it in my cupboard, and it is till date one of my most prized and cherished possessions.